Hi, I'm Tony the Plumber, and I'm gonna show you how to install a clean out for a sewer line for a house. As you can see, we already did the trench in order to access the main sewer line. We're gonna clean up around the pipe so we can cut it and then install a clean out. As you can see, we already opened the trench and accessed the sewer line. This is the main house sewer line. It has a branch that it goes to a room addition, and then it goes straight out to the meet up with the city sewer. Right now we're gonna get in there and cut the pipe with the ratchet cutter that we use for clay and cast iron pipes. Okay, we have the cutter in open position. I'm gonna place it around the pipe. We tied it down. Now we're gonna snap it. You can see the pipe is already cut. We reopen the cutter to remove it. Move the handle that is on the way. And as you can see, it's a perfect cut. We're gonna do the other end, and then we're gonna remove the pipe. Remove the cutter. Okay, so we are done with the repair. We went ahead and installed ABS fittings. This is our clean out for future service. We can run our hydrogening machine through here or snake out the line if needed. What we did is we use the clay to plastic connectors, and then we put a Y because we had to reconnect the line that it comes from the room addition. So this job was required because roots were going into the sewer line. The existing sewer is all clay, and as you can see over here in the wheelbarrow, we have the old piping, and this is the Y connector that it was in there, and it has roots built up in there. So as now everything should be taken care of and water should be flowing good, and that's how we install a clean out. If you need assistance with any of your plumbing for your house or a commercial building, give us a call at 877-240-7654, and we're here to help you. Tony the Plumber Company. Thank you.